Alright, fellow DIYers, today I'm gonna try to check the play in the drive that I have in here. We're gonna check if we need to replace the bushing in here, and we're gonna try to open this center console. Alright, fellow DIYers and reviewers, so this is how you remove the center console of your Ford Everest 2013 model. This applies also to 2009, I think 2009 model to 2014. So you just have to pry this hook in here. All right, so you just have to remove it like this, and you'll be able to see your shifter assembly. The bushing of the linkage near the shifter knob is already broken and you need to replace it. Alright, I've got a lot of bushings in here. Let's check which one will fit in here. So I was able to replace this broken bushings in here. So this one's started already, as you can see. Let me check, I'll show you. What does it look like? Alright, so this one I just made a makeshift bushing. Fits tight on my shift knob end. Okay, and that's it. So when you're going to put back the center console, clips in here, just have to put it back like that and then snap it back on. Alright, so that's it.